The CTKPLX02 is a plug-and-play professional integrated fascia kit which includes dual, full-colour touchscreens that control and maintain various vehicle features and functions. With the installation of a new double ding head unit, you can retain the use of the steering wheel controls, being able to adjust the volume, channel and mode of the new stereo. The fascia now displays the state of the passenger airbag and includes a new capacitive touch hazard switch button. The dual touchscreen now retains the vehicle's original aircon controls. On the left screen, you can choose whether to turn everything on auto, dual controls, front and back window heaters, car recirculation and the pollen filter. On the right screen, you can then set the fan temperature, the demister setting, the fan speed and the fan's general direction. At the top of the left screen, you will be able to access the CTKPLX02 configuration menu. Within vehicle settings, you can determine the amplifier volume, the fade between front and rear speakers, whether you have auto recirculation fitted or not, the orientation of the driver's position, and whether you want the volume controls reversed. In picture settings, you can set the brightness of both the day and night mode and choose whether to select a preferred screen or leave it as automatic. The CTKPLX02 can be displayed in either English, French or Spanish. To find out more about this product, or for general inquiries, head on over to our website at www.connex2.com.